Diane and Derek here, rah, rah, rah. Good morning. I hope you're fine and well. A wee bit of snow for us this morning in Copenhagen. Anyway, let's get straight into it. I've got some items which I'm decluttering today. We are working side by side every day this month of February. We're looking for at least one item, and you're telling me down below what you're decluttering for today. But anyway, come on over and I'll show you what I've got. A few games. I've got Quiz Mystery. We used to play it with kids. We're empty nesters now, and that's not what we will play when the kids are visiting here. Spectrangle, that's also going. And here's one which is not being decluttered. This is our absolute family favourite way. We play it on vacation and the kids always say, oh, remember the rummy cup. And I'm thinking my daughter and Sunday now have their own flats, but I'm thinking I might buy a rummy cup for her birthday. Anyway, don't tell her. So this one's definitely staying, as are dominoes. Do you like dominoes? These are my childhood dominoes. You can see they're looking a bit faded now. And I used to play dominoes with my granddad for hours and hours. And we had a thing, you know, when you were down to your last domino, you'd say, I'm chapping. That, I don't know if you have the same rules. Anyway, we also have these dominoes. I will not mention the name, but they've got a really nice feel, and they're really good. And for kids, you can play them in all different ways. You can build little houses with them, or you can do it by colours. So we're keeping the dominoes. This one, very, very old, it's Jenga, you know, the Jenga thing. And we got this when the kids were small, when we used to go camping holidays with Eurocamp and Canvas, and they always used to send a gift before you went on holiday, something you could play. And this was actually one of the good things, but we never play it anymore. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash the bag, put in a new string, and that'll go in the bag for our next swap party. A few other things, I just put them in one of my little washing basket things to keep it all together. I went through the videos yesterday. Remember we were talking about videos, not videos, DVDs, you know what I mean. A bit tired this morning. So this one is going, Patrick Melrose, Dr. Dolittle, we got that free with something, I think. The Coen Brothers, Taxi 4, and Great Gatsby. So all of these are going. And I had another look through my office supplies. Remember I was talking about stationery and things. So I found some cards, greetings cards that I could let go of. Case in point, a few of these ones. So these are going. And I also found some funny notepads that I've had since I was a child. And I've kept them for years and years and years. And my kids never used them. And I think now it's time to let them go. So here we are for the last time on television, or at least on YouTube. Look, aren't they sweet? But I'm not going to use them. And I think somebody at the swap party will take those for their kids. I mean, they are, or maybe actually for the adults. Look at that, aren't they funny? So anyway, those are all going. Goodbye, farewell. But there's one thing that I'm hanging on to. It's notelets, and look how sweet that is. A special note from Diane. And I only kept those for very special friends. So I've got one left. Oh, I've never had long hair. Long hair doesn't suit me. It just drags me right down. So anyway, so that one I'm holding on to. So you go and have a look through your games. Doesn't need to be Flylady Zone 5, just work wherever you are. We're not actually into Flylady Zone 5 until tomorrow, Sunday or Monday, but I've had to kind of run out of things to declutter from the bedroom. And as it is Saturday, make sure that you get some family fun time or recharge your batteries. I've actually just started painting my nails, and the colour, this one, it was really good. What's it called? Bubblegum. I got this at a swap party in November. I think it was when we were at Monica's. And actually my top today, this was a swap item, the little vest. I think this actually originally belonged to Vibeke. So there you go. Never know what you're going to find when you declutter your stuff and go to a swap and something comes back. Anyway, you let me know what you're going to declutter. Remember to like the video, subscribe, please, share with a friend, blah, 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 blah. I'm going to get back on with my day. Hubby's around, and you know, I never film my family. You never see them on camera and stuff. I like to give them their privacy. So I'm going to let him get back in here because he wants to get on with his book, I think. So anyway, live long, prosper. May the decluttering hygge be with you, and I'll see you tomorrow, Sunday, with a rah, rah, rah. Okay, bye for now.